So team, I hope you're ready for the next session. It's all about, of course, again, core, and it's about smooth and strong hips. So let's start in a kind of a pretzel position. So just drop your booty onto the right side and your legs are, one is turned out and the other is turned in. So make sure to bring your front lower leg, if you can, parallel to the side of your mat. The other leg is turned in and the knee should be at your side if that is not possible. So maybe your hips are pretty tight today. And then bring the legs a bit closer towards you so you feel comfy, you feel good in that seated position. When this is not possible today, your brain, your body is stressed and the muscles can't work. So make sure to find your position. A little stretch is allowed, but don't tense in a negative way. So from here, let's start with moving the upper body to open up the hips. So from here, we're gonna lean forwards, then over to the right. We come up, so as you can see, I just catch my upper body with my right hand and then I come back the same way. It's, a circular movement from the front, to the side, back up, and to the side, forwards and up. Oh yes, and I can feel something is happening here in my hips. Little opening, little soft, dynamic stretch. Good job. So from here, let's add on another movement. We're gonna move the back leg, the left one. So as you hinge forwards, you're gonna lift the leg up. As you move your body to the side, the leg is coming to the side and forwards. So just a pendulum. To the side, back, and release. Try to keep the leg in the air. So we have little active mobility here. Allow the movement to become bigger if that feels good for you. And if that's possible for you, try not to get the hand onto the floor. Try to keep everything lifted in the air with your muscles. Last one, maybe get your hand back onto the floor. That's okay. And when you're right and the left foot is at the front, just drop the foot and bring the legs a little bit to the side. So ankles, hips, and your supporting hand is in one line. Let's continue with a side bend. So prepare your left arm on your knee. And then as you inhale, you press the left heel into the ground and you come up with your hips into a side bend. So I keep my right lower leg grounded for the first option. Make sure to find a good position with your right hand to keep the right hand underneath the shoulder. So this is option number 1. If you feel good, strong, and safe in your shoulder, feel free to place the hand further away from you so the way is becoming longer so you can stretch the legs. It's just an option. Make sure to find yours. Each and every day is a bit different, so maybe that worked for you last week, but maybe not today. That's okay. So come back into option 1. It doesn't mean that you're doing less. You can focus a bit better here in option number 1 onto that opening of the front or upper side of your body. Here it's more about core, more about shoulder strength. Okay, there's another option if you want more. When you're in option number 2 and you want to progress, then just rotate and lift your pelvis back and up. Try to straighten your spine. Come back and release. Let's try this 2 more times. Exhale, diving through, hips back and up, spine long. Good job. Can we do one more? All the way up. Twist, rotate, lengthen your spine. Okay, that's possible for you. Come up one more time with the legs extended. So from here, it's a bit easier to drop the lower leg, and we can come up. If not, just come up into that position here in your way. Right knee, left toe in one line. Upper leg is vertical. Bring your arms to the side. And with your exhale, let's go into a nice side bend. Inhale to return. And exhale to come down to the floor. Look up to the ceiling. All the way up. Inhale. Exhale, upper shoulder back and down. Let's bring the left leg up into the air whenever you're ready. Just enjoying that floating movement here. Let's go for 2 more rounds. And in the next round, when the right hand is on the floor, just hold it. That is not possible for you anymore. Here, staying on the hand, don't worry, you can come down onto your forearm. If that is not possible for you because of your shoulder, just dropping down completely. Okay, it's about the leg. We want to create a bicycle move with your leg. So from here, with the inhale, you bend the leg and you pull it back. And with the exhale, you kick forwards. Keep the leg extended and pull it back. Inhale, bend, heel towards the butt cheek. And exhale, kick and sweep it back. Okay, so it's like a one-legged bicycle movement. And try to keep your pelvis stable and your lower back calm. So only make the movement as big as you can. Stabilize your back and your pelvis. So here it's about strong hips. We're gonna strengthen the glute while pulling back. We're gonna strengthen the hip flexors while pulling forwards. And we hold the leg with the outer thighs and the glute medius. Whew. This one is also for your core. Let's go for 2 more. 1 more. And when the leg is in one line with the upper body, hold it. Keep it parallel, yeah? Don't collapse. Keep both pelvic bones stacked above each other. And let's finish with pulses for 8 and 7 and 6. The upper arm is giving you length and lightness up towards the ceiling. 4, 3, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Drop, relax, come onto your knees, come onto your heels. From here, you can just switch over to the other side. So drop the booty to the left. Pull the left lower leg forwards. The right knee is at the side. So pretzel position just to the other side. Find your position. Then let's start with the upper body whenever you're ready. Hinge forwards. Catch your body with the left hand. Come up and to the side and front again. My hips are pretty tight today. My muscles are a bit sore. So the movements might look a bit tiny here. Maybe that's the same for you. Don't worry. Just moving with your body and not against. And step by step, getting deeper into it. All right, and whenever you're ready, we're gonna add the back leg, okay? So as you hinge forwards, you lift the leg and then swipe it to the side and front, and just vice versa. I was on holidays for 1 week, and I didn't move at all. It was a nice sea vacation, just laying on the beach. And now I can feel my body again. 3 days of work and my muscles are on fire again. Feels good to be back. Body is alive. Okay, maybe try it without the hands. Okay, and with the next round, when the leg is in front of you, just hold the leg and bring the foot down into the ground. From here, just sweep the legs to the side so we can prepare for the side bend. The right foot is on the floor, right hand, right arm is preparing. And then whenever you're ready, inhale to press the right heel up, come into the side bend. And exhale to come down. Yes, inhale to come up. Looking for that side bend here in the spine. Okay, remember, option number 1, stay here. If you did it on the first side, I recommend you to do it on the second side as well, to stretch the legs. Yeah, inhale to come up, and exhale to come down. Find the breath. Okay, maybe this is for you. Maybe you want to progress, then follow me for the twist. So we come up, we thread the needle under, we keep the spine long, sending the hips back. Come back the same way. All right, team, can we come up one more time? Maybe with the legs extended, so it's a bit easier to ground the left lower leg and to come up. Right big toe, left knee in one line, just finding your way up into this new position. Pressing the outer edge of your foot into the ground, toes facing forward so you have the knee in a perfect alignment. Inhale to come up and exhale to move towards the extended leg. Inhale to return and then bring the left hand back to the floor. Right, whenever you're ready, sweep the right leg up. So let's prepare for that bicycle move. Looking up to the ceiling to keep the chest open. Okay, when the left hand is grounded, the right leg is lifted, hold it. Yeah, remember, you can also lower down onto the forearm like this. If you have any problems, stiffness in your shoulder, let's come down like this. Choose your position and let's go for that single leg bicycle movement. So as you inhale, you bend, you pull the leg slightly to the back to squeeze your glutes, and exhale, kick forwards. Keep the spine long. Sweep it back and exhale to kick forwards again. Inhale, side and back. Exhale, kick. Keep the lower elbow softly bent. Keep that corset feeling. No movement in your spine. Last 2, we're almost there. Strong glutes, strong hip flexors, strong outer thighs. Whew. One more. And then keep the leg in one line with the upper body. And when you got the position, let's pulse it up and down. Think more in length than in height. For the last 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, you got this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knee, recover, shake it out. Good job.